It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Now today we will see some best questions regarding permutations and combinations and chance based questions, right? Probability, and also some types of questions where you have to use more of algebra, right? To have little bit, so much of trickishness will be there for these questions there. So we should let us solve those type of questions, right? So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. By me, I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ECE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic, and what are the advantages when we choose iconic over plus? So one such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a personal coach, and you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your mentor and educator, so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing, and you will get the best solutions further to overcome. And also one more greatest advantage is personalized test analysis. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. If those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. So 90% of the students complain me this, sir, we are not able to solve the questions, we are not able to apply the things onto the questions even though completing the entire syllabus. Now this is the excellent thing that will be available with your mentor. One more advantage when you choose Iconic, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes so that you can complete all your software courses, right? So for core branches, this will be a very good backup for their career. Of course, whatever you get in Plus, you will get in Iconic also. Now, so those who are skeptical, right, how the course will be, how the quality will be, how the depthness will be, right? So Unacademy is offering you a free trial for 7 days, right, from June 9th to June 12th, right? So you can check the quality of the courses plus courses, right? You can access the paid content for free for 7 days, right? You can check the quality of the courses. You can check the depthness of the courses. Then you can decide to join there, right? This is the process to unlock the free trial. Yes, now how much you have to invest? If you are choosing Plus, let us suppose take you liked it, you want to join on Plus, right? So if you are opting for 24 months, now this will be costing you on an average of 2239 per month, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right, finally to me, right? And you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 53,737. This is the for 12 months it is 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months, right? And we heard about your concerns and we have dropped our Iconic prices by 21%. Let us suppose take 12 month subscription price is 52,000 without using my code. After using my code, right, so for 12 months the Iconic price will be 46,800, right, after using my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months, right? As I said that whatever the features that I explained you in the previous slide, apart from this, you will be getting physical notes prepared by topmost educators in India, whomsoever subscribes to 1 year and above Iconic subscriptions. So do try to use this. And yes, right, these are the benefits of one-to-one live mentorship. How many mentor sessions will you get based upon your subscription? Yes, chalo. Let's solve the questions. These are the questions that we have solved yesterday. So we'll go to the question which we have to solve today, right? Let me come to the question that this is the question yesterday we have solved, and we have to solve this. I will solve this, and next question you have to solve for me. This is geometry based question. Na? In a circle of radius, so first of all I'll take the shape, then we will I'll take down this one. In a circle of radius 11 centimeter, CD is a diameter and AB is a chord of length 20.5 centimeter. So let us suppose take this is the diameter CD, and this is your center point, okay? CD is the diameter. Of course, what is the diameter length? Diameter length is nothing but equal to 22. 11 is radius now. 22 will be the diameter. You have drawn a chord AB of length 20.5 centimeter, it seems. If AB and CD intersects at a point E inside the circle. Now see here, AB is a chord. Now see, this is the chord that you have drawn there, right? And you closely observe there, this is A and this is B of length 20.5, and they intersect at a point called E, it seems. I will take down this point as E, and again what is the point given there? And CE has length 7 centimeter, it seems. Okay, if CE has length 7 means you closely observe there. Now total CD length is 22. Now how much will be ED length? ED length will be 15. Am I right or wrong? 15 plus 7 will be 22. Then the difference between length of BE and AE in centimeter is the question asked here. Okay, fine. Now how to solve this? Now how much is this length? Now see, I can write on this length also very easily, because you know this is radius. Am I right or wrong? This is 11 and this will be 4. So finding out this will not be helpful in any way. I know one property. So AB and CD, I can take it as secants because they are touching at 2 points on the circle. According to the secant properties, when they are intersecting inside a circle, so AE into EB, AE into EB is equal to CE into ED. Okay, I can write down this one perfectly. Now, how much is CE? CE is 7. ED is how much? 15. So AE into EB is nothing but equal to 105. Okay, fine. You are asked to find out AE minus BE difference or BE minus E. So can I take down like this? Can I write down the same formula? See here, this is in the format of A minus B whole square. Can I write down this as A plus, AE plus B whole square minus 4 into AE into B? Will you accept with me? Which will become AE square plus BE square minus 2AE BE. The same formula will work out there. AE plus BE whole square, already you know AB value. This is nothing but AB. Bracket value is nothing but AB whole square. AB is how much? 20.5. So 20 point, so I'll write down here. 20.5 whole square minus 4 AE into BE, just now you have calculated, which is nothing but 105. Now subtract this, automatically you will get the value there. 20.5 whole square into 20.5 is nothing but equal to 420.25. Minus how much is this? 4 into 105 is nothing but equal to 420. Now which is nothing but equal to 0.25. Will you accept with me? Observe this, yes or no? 0.25. It's nothing but AE square, AE minus BE whole square. Now how much will be AE minus BE? AE minus BE will be equal to 0.5. So in this entire scenario, if you know the circle properties, then automatically the solvation will be very, very easy. And this is a question which was asked in 2019 CAT examination. I hope so I am clear. Chalo, let's solve one more question now. Simple ratios based question, arithmetic. So let's see how many can solve this. I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Waiting for your answers there. Any answer? 40 seconds more. Those who can draw the diagram can easily solve this question here. If the rectangular faces of a brick is a 3D object. Have their diagonals in the ratio of 3 is to 2 root 3 is to root 15. Then the ratio of length of the shortest edge of the brick to that of longest edge is the question asked. So how many of you can solve this? No answers. All right. So I'll take down the. So how shall I draw this? I'll draw like this. So this is the rectangular brick. Now, what is the point given there? Diagonals itself. So I'll draw the diagonals in red ink. Observe there, this is one diagonal. Sorry. This is one diagonal. This is one diagonal of a face. This is one diagonal of a face. Will you accept with me? Yes or no? So what I will do is, I will take down this as length. I'll take down this as A. Second. I'll take down this as A. I'll take down this as B. I'll take down this as C. Now, closely observe there. Now, what will be this value? I'll write down here. Will be this value. Is this a right angled triangle there? Observe there what I am drawing there. My arrow, my mouse marks there A. So this value will be root of A square plus C square. Will you accept with me root of A square plus C square? Coming to next one. Now this value I'll write down here. This value will be how much? Now see here, this value is A, this value is B. Root of A square plus B square. Similarly, what will be this value there? Can anybody say? Root of B square plus C square. Root of B square plus C square. Are you accepting this? Which is largest one? 3. Root 15 is how much? 3 point something. Means more than 3. 2 into root 3 is nothing but 1. So, okay, fine. 2 into root 3 will be how much, ma? Can anybody say this? Let's calculate this. Anybody? 1 second. Yes, into 2 is how much? 3.46. Root 15 is nothing but 3 point something value, right? So I can write down like this. 1 second. 3.87. So which is first, which is second, which is third? Now I can write down like this. Now what is the question asked? Then the ratio of length of the shortest edge of the brick to the longest edge. So shortest means C, highest means A. So okay, first of all, this will be the largest value, which is nothing but equal to root of 15. Which will be the smallest value? This is smallest value and this is equal to 3. And root of A square plus C square will be equal to 2 root 3. So by this, can I calculate this? Right? Yes, I can calculate this. Now, A square plus a C square value will be equal to how much? So 4 into 3, 12. Now B square plus a C square value will be how much? Okay, A square plus B square. I'll take down this. A square plus B square. Whatsoever, you can take down any value. A square plus B square value is nothing but equal to how much? 15. Now see here, I will be subtracting this minus a square gets cancelled. So b square minus c square is nothing but equal to 3. And clumping those two values there, can I write down this as b square plus c square is equal to 9? Yes. So 2b square. So c square gets cancelled. 2b square is equal to 12. 3 plus 9, 12. B square is equal to 6. B is equal to root of 6. Now see here, I can substitute remaining things there. Now my b square value is equal to 6. Now my a square value will be how much? 9. So my a value will be equal to 3. Now what will be my c square? A square value is 9. 12 minus 9 is 3, root 3. So my c value is equal to root 3. So automatically what will be my answer there? So see here, 3 is to 3 by root 3. So I can write down this as root 3 into 3. So finally root 3 is to 1 and my option number C will be true. Am I right or wrong? Hope so you got my point there. Exactly. So have we done any mistake there? Let's check once. 1 second here. 1 second here. Let me check there. We have done this question there. One more question also I have added here. 1 second, ma. Yes, A by C. We are right. 1 is to root 3. Shortest edge of the big to longest edge. 1 is root 3. We are right. Shall we go for the next one? Yes. Now let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. Of course, you can solve in many ways, right? I'm not saying that you have to solve only in this way. In the previous question, you can add all those cases and also you can solve it now. That's not a deal. Seconds more. Twenty seconds more, yeah. Any answer for this? 7 students in the class. Be active. Be active. If you are active, then we can solve more number of questions like this, right? If you are dull, we cannot do anything. Chalo, that's an easy question, yeah. A chemist makes 2 liquids. Let us suppose take this is they are given as 1 and 2 liquids. Okay, fine. 1 liter of one liquid, 1 weighs 1 kg. So let us suppose take this is 1000 grams. Why I am taking this, you can understand this. 1 liter of liquid 1 weighs 1000 grams. And 1 liter of second liquid weighs 800 grams. If half liter of the mixture, now these two are mixed, it seems. If half liter of the mixture, now see, I am taking my base as 1 liter ma, but mixture per mixture weight is given as in half liter 480. So 1 liter will be 960. Can I take down this? Otherwise you can change them into half liters. Either of this will be okay, fine. You can write down this as 500. You can write down this as 400. And you can write down this middle value as 480. You can take down anything. You will get the same answer. The percentage of liquid 1 in mixture in terms of volume is the question asked. 1000 minus 960 will be equal to 40. So this is how much? 800 minus 1, is it 160? Yes, it is 160. So the ratio will be 4:1. Will I get the same value there? 20 here. This is 80 here. Yes, and I am getting the same answer there. 4:1. So liquid 1, total how many parts are there? 5 parts are there. Liquid 1 plus liquid 2, 5 parts are there. Out of this 5 parts, yes, 4 parts is liquid 1 into 100. You are asking percentage value there. So is it 80%? And this is my answer there. Many of you got this? Perfectly done. Exactly. So focus on solving, right? So solving procedures must be optimized and easiest. It must be easiest. Now again, one such beautiful question here. Try this. 2 minutes. I'll be giving you time for this. One minute more. Aram se think it. A function f a comma b, f of a comma b, where a and b is greater than 0, matlab a and b is not negative, a and b is not 0, is defined as ab by a plus b whole square. Then the maximum value of the function is p. Find the value of 12p. So you are asked to find out maximum value of the function, it seems here. Okay. Any idea? Any idea how to solve it? So first of all, can you break down this function there? Waiting for your answer, beta. 10 seconds more. Nobody got the idea. So just for my convenience of calculations, can I write down like this function? AB divided by, now see here, I'll write down like this, divided by a plus b whole square is how much? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Am I right or wrong? So second one. So can I write down like this? 1 divided by a square by ab is nothing but how much? A square by ab. Is it a by b? B square by ab is nothing but how much? Is it b by a? Okay. Now plus 2ab by, is it nothing but called 2? Now closely observe there. This is nothing but equal to p. and this has to be maximum, it seems. If this has to be maximum, now you closely observe there what the things has to be there. Your denominator has to be minimum possible. Am I right or wrong? If at all you cannot get maximum possible, your denominator, I am underlining this part, this denominator has to be minimum possible, then only you will get maximum possible value for P. What is the minimum value that you can give for A? It is not 0, it is not negative. The best minimum value that you can give for A is equal to B is equal to 1. This is the only way. Am I right or wrong? If it has to be minimum, then f of A comma B is nothing but equal to P, and this value is nothing but equal to how much? Calculate this, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 1 will be 1, B by A will be 1 plus 2. How much the value will be there? Is it 1 by 4? And this is your P max value. What is the question asked? 12P value is the question asked. 12 into 1 by 4, and your answer will be equal to 3. How many of you got this logic there? Perfect calculation there. Done. Of course, right, you can try without this process also, right, by layman approach. Take AB comma 1. So how many of you will get that idea of taking A comma B 1? I don't know, right? So it depends upon practice only. Immediately you might not get that thought. Again, this is again one of the finest question where this you have to be solved with algebra and maximization and minimization of values. Let's see how many can solve this. One minute more, yeah. Vishal, answer. Vishal Gandhi. It is Prasad today, Harshavardhan Sai. 15 seconds more, yeah. Any idea? No one. So see here, our aim is to first find out this value, and then you have to find out the maximum value of this from the given equation. This is the thing there. So how can I convert this in this format? So chalo, once observe there, I am writing down this 4p square plus I'll take down this p to left hand side. 1 second, ma. 4p square. I'll take down the left hand side, right hand side p onto the left hand side, minus p. Minus p I will write down like this, 2 into 2p into 1 by 4. I'll take down like that. Finally this value is p only, observe there. So what did I added there? I have added 1.4, so I'll take down like this, 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 4 whole square. This will work out. Done. Now plus again there is q square. I will take down this 2q to the left hand side, minus 2 into q into 1. So what did I added there? I took 1 there, so I'll add down this 1 square here. Hope so clear. Now what did I added on left hand side? I have added 1 by 4. I have added 1, and this is 1 by 2. Is there anything that I have done there? 2q na? Yes, perfectly. 2q only. Anything that we have missed? Anything that we have missed? So what did a 4p square minus 2 into 2p into 1 by 4, okay, plus 1 by 4 whole square, plus 1. Okay, so let's solve this now. This is in the format of, observe there, how this is 2p square. Am I right or wrong? 2p whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square. Am I right? 2p minus 1 by 4 whole square. Is this in the format of like this? Please explain me whether I'm right or wrong. Yes. And this is in the format of q minus 1 whole square. Perfectly. Now, of course, what is this value there? 4 comma 2, 8 is the LCM there. No, 4 is the LCM there. What we have done, what we have added there, we have added 16, not 4. First of all, check there. 1 by 4 whole square na? By 4 whole square is nothing but equal to 16. So 16, 2 to the power of 4, LCM will be 16 only. This will be 1, this will be 16, and this will be 8. Am I right or wrong? 1, 16, or 2 8s are. So how much is this? 16 plus 8, 24, 25 by 16. Okay, fine. Now you closely observe there, you are having two terms. By this, what can I say? I can use my arithmetic mean, geometric mean relationship here. AM is greater than or equal to GM relationship. Then I can find out my maximum or minimum value according to this equation. Everybody know if there are two terms, A plus B by 2, arithmetic mean will always be greater than or equal to geometric mean root of AB. So I will use the same concept here and solve the question there. Observe here. I'll write down in writing. So A value is how much? So 4. I will take down this as 2p minus 1 by 4 whole square plus B value is q minus 1 whole square divided by 2. What I will do is I'll take down this 2 here, 2 into whole to the power of, I will take down this 2p minus 1 whole square. This is 2p 2p minus 1 by 4 whole square into q minus 1 whole square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Am I right on root of AB? I am writing down this. So by this square gets cancelled. Now everybody know what is this value. Just now you have calculated this 25 by 16. So this 2, is it that 25 by 16? Yes, perfectly done. Perfectly done. Now so see here, I'll write down like this. I'll write down the value 25 by 16 is this one. Greater than or equal to 2 into, this will cancel right 20. This is 8p minus 1, 8p minus 1 divided by 4 into q minus 1. So see here, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 8s are. Finally, can I write down like this? Are you getting my point there? 8p minus 1, 8. And finally, I can write down like this 8p minus 1 into q minus 1 is less than or equal to 25 by 8. So 25 by 8 is nothing but the maximum value that you can give there. It cannot go beyond that. I have changed this equation into this fashion, and this is what the question asked. 25 by 8 will be your answer there. So in the entire scenario, those who can solve this write down this equation into a perfect algebraic format, automatically you can solve the question very easily here. Done. I hope so. I'm clear. Again, one more finest question, right? So do try to observe, solve this. Let's see how many can solve this. So the question might be lengthy, but the solution is very easy. Basic permutations and combinations. Forty seconds more. And any answers? An entomologist noticed 15 ants crawling on his table. Exactly 13 of them were male and 2 were female. He noticed that they were crawling on the table in a random order, such that no 3 of them were ever in the same straight line. They are in random order. Suddenly, 3 of the male ants started following one of the female ant, it seems. Suddenly, 3 of the male ants, I'll take blue as male ants, following one female ant, such that all 4 of them were in a straight line. Female ant, I'll take down red. Then the maximum number of distinct, the question asked is distinct straight lines that the entomologist can draw passing through any ants is the question asked. So totally there are 13 male. So 3 male are in straight line, remaining 10 in random. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 2 are female means automatically that 1 is at somewhere here. Now, the point here is you need to know little bit of geometry. In order to form a straight line, you need a starting point, you need an ending point. In between this, you can draw a line segment. Am I right or wrong? So how many points are available here? Here with some, let us suppose take, right? I'll explain a little bit of more geometry. First of all, what is line? I'll draw here. What is line? When there are more than 3 points collinearly on a surface. Collinearly means side by side on a straight line. By joining these points, we will be forming a line. And up they go, this line will not have a starting point, will not have an ending point. You can extend it unlimitedly. Now in between this, see here, a part of a line is nothing but called line segment. Now see here, this line segment will be having a starting point, will be having an ending point. Now see here, now you are drawing line segments here which must have one starting point, one ending point. Up they go, there are some lines which you cannot form distinct. Can you form different line segments with these 4 points? No, right? So first of all, what I will do, I'll go with backward flip. Total minus no line forming ways. Then I'll get the answer there. So I'll write down in this fashion. Total how many points are available? 13 plus 2, 15 points available. Out of this 15 points, I will be choosing 2 points in order to form a distinct straight lines. But in this 15C2, there are some lines where there are some points where you cannot form a line segment. What are those? With these 4 points, you cannot form distinct straight lines. So 4C2 has to be eliminated. But with this 4 lines, you can form one straight line by joining this point, because the exact definition of line is that joining the collinear points, you form a line. So +1. So calculate this. 15C2 is nothing but equal to 15. Hi Archit. Now observe here, 15C2 is nothing but equal to how much here? 15 factorial by 13 factorial divided into 2. 15 into 14 by 2. Calculate it, 105. 4C2 is nothing but equal to 6 plus 1. Now automatically what will be the answer there? Is it 100? This is your answer. Totally how many distinct straight lines can be formed? 100 distinct straight lines can be formed. I hope so I am clear regarding this. Again, one more very famous question that I have picked up from one blog. Let's see how many can solve this. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Kamath, sir. 40 seconds more. Four seconds more. Any answer for this? Nobody. Mohan, a thief, went to a liquor shop where he decided to take away 15 bottles. Let us suppose he took a bag. In this bag, there are 15 liquor bottles of different combinations. 4 gin, 3 wine, 2 whiskey, 1 brandy, whatsoever. We don't know about that. In the shop, there are bottles of wine, whiskey, rum, vodka, and gin. Let us suppose take number of wine bottles is W. Number of whiskey bottles is WH in the bag. Number of rum bottles is R. Number of vodka bottles is B. Number of gin bottles is G. All this together sum is nothing but equal to 15. In how many ways can you select these bottles? Now you have to check how many gin bottles are there, how many rum bottles are there. So we have seen a concept called Bose-Einstein separators. I have dealt this in the first class itself in spatial aptitude, right? So go through my spatial aptitude question, you can easily understand this. Bose-Einstein separators. Let us convert this question into a little bit easier manner so that we can understand this, right? Let us suppose you have 15 gold coins with you. Now you have to share this 15 gold coins to how many persons? 5 persons. How many partitions do you need? You need 4 partitions. Let us suppose you have a rope. You have to give it to 2 members. How many cuts do you make? 1 cut, 2 pieces. 2 cuts, 3 pieces. 3 cuts, 4 pieces. Am I right or wrong? So 4 cuts, how many pieces? 5 pieces. Same thing there. So how many cut? 5 partitions. So totally 15 articles are there. So how many blocks you have to draw? 1, 2, 3, so on. You have to draw totally 19 blocks. And this 19 blocks can be arranged in 19 factorial ways divided by, so 15 are of one type and 4 are of one type. Now this is your answer. In how many ways can you select the bottles? And this is your answer. Effort you can solve this here. Hope so you got my point there, right? So let's solve the next one. This is an easy algebraic question. Let's see how many can solve this. A second small easy question here. If m and n are integers such that root 2 whole to the power of 19 into 3 to the power of 4 into 4 square into 9 to the power of m into 8 to the power of n. Make sure that you convert everything into prime factors, then that will be very easy for you to calculate. Otherwise it will take headache issues. Right. So do try to solve this. No answers for this. So see, as I said there, I'll convert each and everything into prime factors. Root 2 whole to the power of 19 it seems. So I'll write down this as 2 to the power of 1 second. I'll write down this as 2 to the power of 19 by 2 into 3 to the power of 4 into 4 square. I'll write down this as 2 to the power of 4 into 9m means I'll write down this as 3 to the power of 2m. I'll write down 8 as 2 to the power of 3n is equal to 3 to the power of n. 16, can I write down this as 2 to the power of 4m into root 4 of 64 it seems. 64 can be written as 2 to the power of 6 whole to the power of 6 by 4. 6 by 4 is nothing but equal to 3 by 2. Will you accept with me? Yes. So see here, it is in the format of a to the power of m into a to the power of n. I'll write down all a's one side, all b's one side. So I'll take down like this 2 to the power of 19 by 2 plus 4 plus 3n. Am I right or wrong? Into 3 to the power of 4, 2m plus 4. Will you accept with me? Similarly, I'll take down RHS also. 3 to the power of n into 2 to the power of 4m plus 3 by 2. Can I take down this? So I can equate LHS and RHS. So can I write down like this? So finally 19 by 2 plus 4 plus 3n is equal to 4m plus 3 by 2. Can I write down like this? So I can form the equation there. 4m minus 3n is equal to, so see here, 19 by 2, 3 by 2. LCM will be 2. So I'll write down this as 19 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 3. Am I right or wrong? So 8 minus 3 is 5. 19 plus 5 is nothing but how much? 24. 24 divided by 2, is it 12? Yes, it is 12. Similarly, I can get these equations there. 2m plus 4. 2m plus 4 is equal to n. So 2m minus n is nothing but equal to minus 4. 2m minus n is nothing but equal to minus 4. I got two equations there. What I will do, I will cancel down n value. I will multiply this with 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 3n. So this will become minus, this will become plus, and this will become plus. So finally minus 3n plus 3n will get cancelled down. Minus 6m plus 4m is nothing but minus 2m is equal to, now how much is this? Calculate this. Is it plus 12, 24? So is it m is equal to minus 12? You can check there and then satisfy the equation also. So see here, if m is equal to 12, minus 12, 12 2s are 24, minus 24 will become here. How shall I calculate this? M is equal to minus 12, 12 2s are minus 24. This n will go to this side, will plus 4, minus 24 plus 4 will be minus 20, n value will be minus 20. Is it n value minus 20? Let's check there. 12 into 12, 24. Minus 24 plus 20, yes, minus 4. So this equation, right? So let's calculate this. What will be this one now? This will become minus 20. This will become minus 24. Yes, perfectly done. This is your answer there. And you can check with this equations also, then you will get the answer there. Done? You check this? Or you can check these values here also now. So for m value is minus 12 now, minus 48. Minus 48 plus 3 by 2, 1.5, 49.5. You can check here. Minus 20, minus 20 is 60, 60 plus 4. You can calculate there also, right? You can get the same value. Done? Check down there. So I can do like this. 19 divided by 2 is equal to 9.5 plus 4 minus 60. 60 minus 13.5. You can get the same value. Right, we are done. Once let me check whether I'm right or wrong. I have written the solution there. Give me 1 second. Yes, minus 12 is right. Quickly done. Chalo, let's solve the next one. Again, one of the simple arithmetic question based on cubes and squares. Let's see how many can solve this. Minute more. 10 seconds more. Any answers from you? Right. The product of two positive numbers. Let us suppose take those two positive numbers are x and y, or a and b. Your wish. Shall I take down a and b? A and b. A comma b. Now what happened? Positive product it seems. So a into b. A into b. Are here, these are questions are here from different topics there. Combined topics is equal to 616. If the ratio of difference of their cubes, so a cube minus b cube to cube of their differences, so a minus b whole cube is nothing but equal to 157:3. What shall I do on area, right? This is not neat class now. 157:3. Then the sum of the two numbers is nothing but the question asked. And suppose I'll take a common factor here. I'll take a common factor called k. So automatically what will be my a minus b whole cube value? A minus b whole cube value is nothing but equal to 3k. So can I write down like this? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus again minus 1, sorry, minus b square b cube is equal to 3k. So can I write down the same equation as like this? Observe here, this equation only. So I'll write down like this: a cube minus b cube. I can take down like this one, minus, I'll take down 3ab outside. If I take 3ab outside, this will be left over with a, and this will left over will be b. So a minus b will be left over. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now everybody know a cube minus b cube value is how much? 157k. So 157k minus 3 into, everybody know a into b is how much? Just now you have calculated that a into b is 616. 3 into 616. Done. So this one, so how can I write down a minus b? Already you know a minus b whole cube is 3k. So a minus b will be how much? 3k whole to the power of 1 by 3. Am I right or wrong? Can I write down like this? Yes, I can write down like this. So here, which is nothing but equal to 3k. So 157 minus 3k will be 154k is equal to 3 into 616 into 3k whole to the power of 1 by 3. So see here, what I will do is I will take down this 154 also here, okay, divided by 154. Now can you calculate all these things? 3 table per, it will not be going on there, yeah. So shall I take down this one? 154 4s are how much? 6496. Okay. 616, 3 into 616. How shall we calculate there? Yes, yeah. 154 into 4 is nothing but 616. 151 4s are 1. 4 is it? So 12k. So automatically, can I write down k is equal to, I'll write down the value there. K is equal to 3 into 4, 12 into 3k whole to the power of 1 by 3. So what I will do is I will cube on both sides. If I cube on both sides, this will become k cube, this will become 12, and this will become 3k. So k gets cancelled. K square is equal to 12 3s are 36, and my k value will be how much? So this is 12 cube na, sorry ma, 12 cube, so this cannot be 36. So k square is equal to 12 cube into 3. Oh, that you can make it very easily. So k value is nothing but equal to 72. Am I right or wrong? Calculate this. K value is equal to 72. Now what is the question asked? Sum of the two numbers it seems. I'll write down in red ink ma. So already you know one point ma. A minus B is nothing but equal to 3k whole to the power of 1 by 3. So you know k value 3 into 72 whole to the power of 1 by 3 will be how much? 3 2s are 6, 216. Am I right or wrong? 216 is nothing but equal to 6 cube. So a minus b value is nothing but equal to 6. So I can write down the same value, x plus y whole square is nothing but equal to x minus y whole square. Right? Can I write down this as plus 4ab? Right? Done. And already you know x plus x minus y is equal to 6. Can I write down this as 6 square, 36? And I already know 4 AB value is 616, 3 into 616. Now add these all things, at last finally you will be getting as 2500. 3 into 616 plus 36 is nothing but equal to 3 into 616 plus 6 square. Did I missed out anything there? 4 bar, not 3. First of all, AB value, this is 4. 4 into 616, yes, we are right. 616 into 4 is nothing but 2464 plus 36, 2500. Right? Now observe here, what will be the value there? 36 plus 4 into 616 is nothing but equal to 2500. Right? Now x plus y whole square is nothing but equal to 2500. So you are asked to find out sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers is nothing but equal to so see, this is a values ma, so I took x and y, no issues. I'll write down this one like this. No issues, don't get confused. A plus b, a plus b, a minus b, this is a plus b. So automatically what is your a plus b value? A plus b value is nothing but equal to 50, and this is your answer there. Done. Exact, perfect answer, right? So how many of you got this point there? Done. So we will solve the remaining questions tomorrow, yeah. So how many of you got this logics there? So shall we do one more? So we'll do one more right then. So do try this question there. I'll end with this. Last question of the day. Any answer for this? It's an easy question here. In a race of 3 horses, the first beat the second by 11 meters and the third by 19 meters. Let us suppose take these are the 3 horses A, B, C. Let us suppose that the race track is for X meters. Means the winner will run the entire meters there, right? So A has run for entire X meters. The first beat second by 11 meters means B will be at a point called X minus 11 meters. C will be at a point called X minus 90 meters. Okay, done. If the second beat the third by 80 meters, it seems, means second reached the goal post point at X, but C is at what? X minus 80 only. What is the length in meters of the race course is the question asked. So I can take down these two as indices and I can find out the X value there. Then I can find out the race course length. X minus 11 divided by X is equal to X minus 90 divided by X minus 80. So finally, can I write down this one? X minus 11 into X minus 80 is equal to X into X will be X square minus 90X. What will be the LHS? X into X will be X square. X into minus 80 will be minus 80X. This will be minus 11X. Minus 80 minus 11 will be minus 91X. Plus 880 is equal to X square minus 90X. So finally, X square gets cancelled off. 91 will go to this side, which will become X. X is equal to how much? 880 meters. This is your answer there. Of course, we took everything in meters. This is your answer. Perfectly done. So we'll solve the next set of questions tomorrow in detail. So how many of you got this logics there? Perfect one. As I said there, right, you can watch my plus classes for free for 7 days and you can check the quality of my courses and you can check the depthness of my courses. Then you can subscribe to plus there. So once you have decided to subscribe plus by seeing my classes, now these are the prices, right? So plus for 12 months will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Coming to Iconic, it will be 46,800 for 12 months after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Yes, and I will be forwarding complete my notes, my posters, right, or what my interactions will be on this community feature, right? Do try to join this. It's a learner educator interaction phase. Equilibrium state, right? You can join there. And those who are aiming at only test series, do try to subscribe to this GATE Lite where you will get the complete test series. And if you have any doubt, you need not wait for anyone's help. Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. Just click the picture of the doubt, crop it and upload in doubts and solutions. Select your preferred language and get the video solution within minutes. You can ask 3 doubts at a time. Do try to join my special class features, right? I'm doing this campus placement strategy sessions. I've done for more than 110 colleges. Tomorrow 3:10 p.m. there is one more strategy session going to conduct by me, right? Which is career opportunities after engineering. So do try to join there. So I will be helping you. What are the opportunities available tomorrow, right? Tomorrow date is how much? 9th June. 9th June or 10th June? 10th June. Done. And yes, do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates of the classes. And please do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the communities and Telegram group, hit the bell icon to get the updates there. Have a nice day. Let's meet tomorrow sharp, same time.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
And battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you Unacademy Combat is the most competitive gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.